1.5 minutes. Okay. All right. Looks like we're gonna get the inversion. Oh. Oh, maybe not. Might. Could create an order block. And then, yeah, it's not gonna do it. Oh, maybe. Huh? Nope. All right. Order block, or maybe another inversion. Oh, look who's here. The guy who thinks he can just come in and be successful. Yeah, we need some losses today just for him. All right. Dude, if this inversion hits on this second candle, that's 4 days in a row. The opening inversion just smacks. That'd be sick. Yeah, that is. That would be not too bad. That'd be at the order block because you get a change in state and inversion. Yep. Oh wait. Order block. Sorry, just there. I'm hoping I'm getting accurate information. My TradeOvate like subscription for included add-ons, my live data like renewed, and it was just giving me a notification that my live data renewed, but I was just hoping that the live data is actually accurate on TradingView. Okay. Yeah, always. I never take full. I always do one. The only time I take full if it's a second inversion after a position's already been open. I think I might even add one to the change in state and do both. So we would do 6 contracts on this one. Or maybe I'll do 1 on the change in state. That's what I'll do. I'll do 3 on the inversion, 1 on the change in state, see if it taps me in or not. That's what I've been doing on the backtesting, is on the inversions. And if there's an inversion and a change in state happening in the same candle, I do the same exact trade for both. So I would open up a 6 contract position here, 3 at the change in state and 3 at the well, I can't do that because if the multiplier would cause my accounts to I could, yeah. No, I don't have time to do it, so I'm just there you go, in. There we go. Oh, it just missed my change in state. Oh wait, my thing was a little too low. It still missed me. I'm actually gonna take 1 off at the liquidity. That you see that in the 8:45 a.m. wick, Zachary? That is actually the first target technically. So I'm gonna do that one first, and then 1.5. Buy limit. Oh wait. All right, halfway to getting funded. Let's go. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. It wasn't me. Unless it was me. I don't think so. All my accounts are in. Unless you... Oh. Dang it, dude. Please don't... Please don't do what you did yesterday.
Order filled.
Okay, now I just order filled some. I don't know. Mine are still... I don't know. Did you maybe... Give us an order block here. Give us an order block here. You technically could, yeah. No, nope, it's always 1. No, I told you 3 on the 1, 1 on the change in state. 3 on the inversion, 1 on the change in state. Yes. So I'm taking off 1 at liquidity, 1 at 1.5, and then 1 at 50 points. But it might blow my accounts because it went into profit and then it's coming back down.
Order filled.
Yeah, it just blew my
Order filled.
accounts on that one. Dang, that sucks. I wish it wouldn't have gone into profit. I would love it if it can make a order block here. So yeah, now the only trades that are in for me now are the funded accounts. Because it went way into profit and then way down. Yeah, but I took 8 in Q. Yeah. Mine did. Bro, how is he the only one who always needs to be let in?
Stop filled.
Stop the. Alright, looks like we're gonna get change in state here now. No, no one's in a position right now. Alright, 2.5 minutes, come on. So. I know I'm setting up my position right now. Yeah. Yep. No way.
Order filled. Order filled.
What happened to my speakers? Oh my gosh. Holy smokes, what is going on with the speakers? Actually, resell limit. Let's see. Just 50 points. Okay. Yep. First sell limit will be there. No. This is for take profit. Take profit. Yeah, we went long. No, our sell stops. Sell stops are stop losses, sell limits are take profits. That is my take profit. Yes, sell stops are my stop losses.
Order filled.
Now can it bounce from here? $1.5 on the inversion is the first one. The second one will be, well, I guess there is technically, I'm gonna do one at Asia high too. It's like basically at 1.5, but it's a little lower.
Order filled.
Oh, no way. It blew the accounts again. Yep, it's fine. No, I don't think it will. It could. Definitely could. Points is right. Okay. I don't know, we're not cooked. Alright. Is if we get subbed out yet? We could still bounce from here. Yep, it hit London low again. And it's been holding at London low. Watch, it's gonna do what it did yesterday, where it comes down, blows my accounts, and then skyrockets. That's what it did yesterday. The same exact setup. Oh, you're out of your position. What's it gonna be horrendous? You shouldn't be down that bad. How are you down 303? Oh. Can I add another sell limit? Let's see, can I add another one here? I'm gonna reject. Let's see if that allows me to add it. Oh, it did. Perfect. Okay. Give us an order block. Let me see if I can fix my speaker. Did that fix my speakers? It looks like one, but it's not. do not add another. Shango's trying to figure out TP. So go up above, like drag your screen up more, Shankle. Yep, grab your, no, other way. Up, yep. You have one right there. You have one right there. No, leave it where, yeah, leave it up there. Yeah, you don't have a stop. Well, he doesn't need one. He's doing an eval. He's fine. Nate, in the top right hand corner where it shows the trade, just press X. Or cancel. Press cancel, sorry. Press cancel. There you go. Just don't touch anything. You have a take profit. You're fine. Yeah. Let me see what the red floor news came out as. So it's red is bearish and bullish. Stop this. Still on. Oh, okay, stop should be hit now.
Stop filled.
Yeah. I mean, this will be my last trade of the day if this one doesn't work. Okay. I'm getting ready for this change in state, so that'll be this will be the third trade of the day. This will be the last one if this one doesn't work out. And hopefully this one, this could be a quick day today. No, I got stopped out. So I'm getting prepared to take a short now. I'm down 625. So this will be the last trade of the day, and then if this one doesn't work, I'm only risking $138 on this last one, so yeah, if your position's still in, might as well just let it could bounce from here. Yeah, it's because you have $2,500 in drawdown. Yeah, so just leave it open. Just leave it open, because it could bounce from here. You still could be okay. Yeah, if it doesn't close, just leave it open. Take the first, once you get tapped in, you got tapped in? I did not get tapped in. First TP, if I do get tapped in, will be at liquidity. So at the 8:45 a.m. candle wick, will be first TP, and then after that, the next TP will be 50
Order
points.
filled.
There we go. Now I'm tapped in. So buy limit 1. Oh. Yeah, that could be cool too. And then points. Okay, and then my next one will be right there. Okay, I have my 2 TPs set up. I mean, if it doesn't stop us out, hopefully not. But maybe we'll finally get one where like it creates an order block, then we can actually like take off some risk, and then it like actually finally does a little bit what we want. Yeah. That's why I'm like, if this one doesn't work, I'm just gonna be done. I'm not gonna try to chop away. I'm not gonna try to chop away at it. Good job. Give us an order block. Come on. Let us take off a little bit of risk. This trade wins. It's definitely not going to get us back in the green for the day, but it at least chip away from the losses. Unless we get unless it like moves and we just get a bunch of inversions that we can add on to throughout, but I don't see this getting us back in the green. I'll be back.
Order filled.
Let's go. Oh, dang, it didn't give us an order block, though. I thought I got stopped out for a second. I was like, oh, dang. Oh, hey, that's one TP. Let's go. Let's go. Now we're only down 581. Give me my money back. What'd you say? No, I didn't. I figured I'd do try twice a day with 6. That's 6 accounts, or no, it's actually 12 accounts. And then if not, just come back tomorrow. So right now it's only funded accounts on this one. And I didn't have time to set it all up. It takes a lot of time. Nate needed to experience a little bit of that, so that's all. That was all. These candles aren't even that big, I don't think. It's like good. All right, I'm gonna add on this inversion. I'm gonna add 1. So limit 1. How did it tap you out? Oh. 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 The previous inversion that we did. Got it. Yeah, you can add on the inversion, but if you're adding, just do 1 contract. Yeah, you could do 2. Okay, then you could do 2. There we go. About to hit second TP. We were so close. How did it not? Did it? It looks like it hit it. It's the worst. So, oh, you wanted me to take that? Or you wanted me to do that? Yeah, no. Yeah, you gotta be like relentless on the model because it works, and so emotion out of it. Yeah, it does. All right, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Holy smokes.
Order filled.
I'm in. 3. Another buy limit here. Okay. I'm all set up. I love that sound. That sound is probably one of the funniest. You know, like in the voice, he's like crying at the same time as he's yelling. Yeah, they did us dirty on that. How did it not hit our 50-point TP, dude? It's 1 pixel like away. That's foul. That's just rude. Yeah, 1.5 is a lock, so it's gonna hit it. On the first one, yeah. Actually, no, that's not true. If we just had our stops higher, it would have hit. Zachary, that's not true. 1.5 is a log. If you just don't ride with a stop loss, it's always gonna hit. Is that the new model? No stop losses, 1.5 is a log. Yeah, like let us put our stops into profit. But also, I wouldn't mind if you just rip through my TPs right now. Do it. Yes, do it. Give us a 100-point candle right now. Do it. You know you want to. But it's not that bad. If we hit both these TPs right now, we are, at least for me, I'm not bad. You should definitely be less than that. 581. Yeah. No, I was saying in the model I've been doing that, but for right now without the buffer, I did 3 and then 1. Oh, sick. This is dope. Oh, you're in a trade. Quick X on your position. Yeah. I mean, it's almost to his TP. Yeah, it was just maybe. No, that's not gonna do it. Hit that now. Now hit X. It's like doing it. It's not what it be. Well, he's probably still down for the day. Go to your account summary, Nate. Oh, it is. Oh, yeah, it was. Yeah. Nice. Oh, that'd be so cool if it just goes all the way back up. Maybe in the next 3 minutes it'll give us an order block. It'll come all the way back down. And then we can put our stops to break even pretty much. That'd be the dream. Yeah, that'd be nice. That would be nice. The 1 minute's looking pretty bearish, so we'll see. Yep, the 1 minute failed to displace that high. Hope it inverts this value gap. Oh yeah, keep going. Keep going. There we go. Come on, 50 seconds. Give it to us. Give us the order block. Not really. It's not that big. Let's see. I'm asking for 10 points. We've seen candles print 70 in 30 seconds. Change the state. If it does that, to upside doesn't necessarily mean that we're in a bad spot, because it could do an immediate change in state after that one to the downside. That doesn't constitute a position in danger. Only really inversions do, and there's no fair value gaps above us. That's funny. You could chop for a little while, yeah. Do the 1 minute. We need this 1 minute fair value gap to hold on the to the downside. That's what we really need. Real. Keep that liquidity and then shoot down, invert that fair value gap. I want the 1 minute to invert this 1018 fair value gap. I think if it inverts that, we'll get a sweep of that external range liquidity where our TP's at. I still don't get how it didn't hit our TP. Should have definitely hit that. Yeah, that is so close, dude. Like, that was like literally probably, okay, we're at 298.25. The low on that candle. Oh my, we're 25 cents off. That sucks. It went down to 23298.5 instead of 0.25. Ooh. What? Dude, Ariel, change in state to the downside on the 1. Give it to us. Dang it. Nope. Maybe this next candle. How much time is it? Minute 43, so 2 more 1 minute candles. Yeah, it could. I think we're on the right side of the market, because after red folder news has come out, price broke structure to the downside and is looking bearish. Because for me, I'm like, in my model, I don't do that on the back testing. So I was like, why would I do that now? I don't do that in back testing. Yeah. Well, actually, we can get this one. We'd still, it'd be a little bit, like a very small. I think you're right. Yeah. Actually, I don't know. What am I on the? I need to see what this day ends, because right now I'm up. Let's see. Let me refresh. That's why I like TradeZella. It auto puts it all in here. You should add your account, Zachary, as many as you can to your TradeZella, and it'll tell you for it'll just auto put them in. Yeah, that'd be cool. That'd be. Let's see, 4.5. Yeah, if we're able to move stops there, we're maybe risking like $10. Yeah. Give us a 1 minute fair value up there. Oh, okay. No, we're not. Take it away. I'm fine with that too. I just want to see it invert this fair value up. Yeah. Give me a bearish change in state on the one, please. Because my entries were better. You had your entries wrong. There we go. Yep, sell off. Come on. Sell off, sell off. Go down. There we go, sell off. Come on, give me a change in state. Come on. You know you want to. Hit the liquidity below these lows. Push and hit that and just give me some fuel. Yup. Let's see if this 5 minute will give us an order block, maybe. Oh, push. At 7:30, hour into the market, and it's at us today. Trade locker. Why is that giving me a notification? Oh. Bank of America is introducing stable coins. First change in state on the one. Let's go. Now let's see if we can hold that and push. Okay. Let's hold it until I'm either stopped out or TP's hit. Yeah, so like now it's literally just hold. I just watch the 1 minute, just kind of see what the 1 minute's showing. Yeah. So right now I'm in a short, so I'm selling. So short is selling. But when I take TPs, I'll be buying. So doing opposite of what my position is. Yeah, like when you look at the structure currently, it doesn't look like you should be buying right now. You could, just because, like, remember what I was telling you yesterday with like lower highs and higher or lower lows? It's created lower lows on the 5 minute, which looks bearish. And hasn't really given us like a reversal signal yet. Really, like the only potential reversal signal we might have is this change in state that happened at 10:20, but I don't know. Really, we can't really know for sure. If this 1 minute inverts this fair value gap, that could be bad for us, but yeah, we'll see. Hey, cutie. Let me see. No, I have 1100. Yeah, it's not looking good at all. Yeah, 1 minute inverted that fair value gap, so maybe it'll bounce from here, but yeah, there's nothing in this yet that has told us to close this trade. So what I'm kind of hoping is that maybe we create a fair value gap here and then invert that fair value gap to the downside. That'd be kind of what I would hope, is like our last saving grace. Huh? Oh, oh, that accidental long. I don't think so. I don't think it went high enough. Maybe. Let's see. How many points is this? What is that? 23 points. Maybe he would have got pretty close. Are you actually? Dang. That's a bummer. Ooh. That's not good. Oh. Oh. I think he's talking to someone else. Okay. Yeah. I'm not vibing. Oh, you could. We need either a big change in state here, or if it makes its fair value, we need that inversion. If it can give us an inversion here. Oh yeah, it looks like it might give us one. We'll see. All right. Huh? No, he's not. He's not having a good day today. He's not having a good day. It's because he accidentally did the 6 on that one trade. That's what hurt him. That's funny. Hold on, let me see this real fast. Let me put my glasses on real quick. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, you'd been let it almost halfway funded on accident. All right, if this candle closes like this, we need this inversion. All right. Give us a 50-point candle now to the downside. Or for the war. Yeah, give us a 50-point candle now. We are due. If you give us a 50-point candle right now, TP's smack. Okay, no, you're doing the opposite of what I've asked. Oh, wait. Oh my gosh, I'm so stupid. I'm so stupid. This is all my fault. Oh, this is all my fault. I forgot. That right, perfect angle. There. Just gotta give it a little like the kill shot, a little angle to it. There we go. Perfect. See, it listened. Yep. An order block potentially. Yeah, if this candle engulfs it, that would be a bullish order block, and that would be bad for us. My current position. Yeah, it's not looking too good. You gotta wait for it to close. So you have to wait for the candle to close to give you the confirmation, because it could still do this, but then skyrocket down and invert this fair value gap below us, which would be good for me, because it has 3 minutes left in this candle. Yeah, so it's very important, like when you're doing trading, waiting for the candle to close, because I've seen it where it'll do this where it looks scary, but then all of a sudden it'll like shoot down in your direction that you want. You would. I wouldn't, because I'm not I'm still in my short. For me, I haven't had any. So the only way I ever close a short early is if it inverts a fair value gap to the opposite of my position, and there's no fair value gaps above us right now that it can invert. So I don't have. The only way I can close this position is with my stop loss, which is at the order block. Yeah, because price could still hold at this order block here that it's currently sitting at, like this that 9:55 a.m. candle order block. It could still hold there and push off of there, and we have a fair value up below us that it can invert now, and that would be all in our favor. So this could just be a little bit of a pullback. Market makers getting their sell orders, then they're going to shoot it down really fast. I'd say you'd be gambling, because you haven't gotten your entry signal yet. You're just hoping that it doesn't go higher. You would want to wait. So like your only signal right now that you would get is if price came and inverted this fair value gap, and then you got your entry signal and a confirmation that price is probably going to go down lower. Yeah, if you took a short right now, you're just like kind of gambling, because I'm in the red, right? So you'd be entering on a losing position right now, hoping that we were right and that it's going to get a big move to the downside, because it very much could skyrocket to my stop loss right now, and it looks like it actually might. Yep, I think I'm gonna get stopped out. It's breaking above the wick highs. Yeah, I really needed that candle to invert, not do what it's doing right now. I think I'm gonna be losing this position here. Right up in his face. Touch it. There you go. Touch it. 20 seconds. Yeah, 30 seconds. So see what it's doing, how it's bouncing? What we could get is if this candle closes bearish, like a very small bearish candle, we could get a bullet bearish engulfing candle, and that would actually be a change in state to the downside, which that could be an entry signal also for you. Yep, to short. So if this So right now, if you're not in a position, you would go long on this change in state. So yeah, you would have a buy limit on that 1040 candle, stop loss at the wick of that same candle, and you'd be targeting the highs. Yeah, you could.
Stop filled.
Oh, it just stopped me out. All right, I'm done for the day. That was not a fun day at all. Not a fun day. Yeah. So what you would do for right now, the only long opportunity you have is the change in state that you have below you. It would look like this. Here, I'll set it up. I'm not going to do it, but it would look like this. Like that. So let me zoom in. Yeah, I definitely could. Because price, when it creates an order block like this, will almost always retest the order block before it moves up again. See? Yep, do a right click. Buy limit. Yep. Put it at the top of that red candle body. Yep. Stop loss at the wick. And then zoom in a little bit to see other way. Yep. Zoom in a little bit on that red candle so you can see the body a little better. Zoom in a little more. There you go. Put it at the top of the red. The top of the red. Yep. Yeah. And then press buy. There you go. Now it's in. So now if price comes back down and taps you in, you would hopefully get a really good position. It basically gives you like if you get tapped in, you might get like a pixel perfect entry. And we've had to do that before. But if a fair value gap is formed above you, now you would cancel your order. So until fair value gap is formed above you, you do not close this order. You leave it open because it could come retrace back down and then just pop off of that. Yeah. And the nice thing is, like, on your screen, you could look at your stop loss. You're only risking $270 to make like $3,000 on that position. So like the things with these change in states is like your risk to reward is like really good. Yeah, we'll see. He's back. I'm not taking this trade, Zucker. I just was showing them. It's 7:54. I'm down 783 for the day. Nah, I think you're okay. Yes, I think you can. I think you can. Yeah, but you accidentally took the 6. The 6. Yeah. Today, I thought today would be a little bit like a one-sided move, you know, and not this like chop because we had the Red Fuller news, but which is so weird. Like Tuesday, actually, if we would have done the model Tuesday would have been a great day too, but we. Yep. Yeah. So it's a bummer, but that's why I'm just trying to stay so non-emotional and just literally just do the mechanical model. If we lose 3 trades, then we lose 3 trades, we're done for the day. Like I'm just trying not to think, you know, like just literally execute. It clearly works on the back testing. Do it. Do June. I'll look. I'm almost done with February. I got 1 more week to do. Then I'm in April. And then we'll... I like having it because you get so many... Why'd you just close your... Oh, no, you should have kept it. The only way you take it off is if there's a fair value gap formed. So now you actually are going to have a new change in state that's coming on, and I'll help you set that one up. Yeah, scroll out a little bit, like shrink down your candles a tiny bit. Yep, shrink them down a little bit, and put your candles more to the center of the screen. Yep, and put it up. Yep, shrink them down just a little bit more. Oh wait, did this candle do it? Oh, the 1050 candle did it. Oh, wait, never mind, you missed it. Dang it. Never mind. Dude, that change of state on the 10 a.m. candle actually hit. That sucks that it didn't give us a fair value gap to like paid. Yeah, but you also have a change in state to the right, so that those 3 red candles are an order block because to the right hand side it engulfed those. Okay. So the Nate, the 1050 candle, the 1050 a.m. candle. Put your mouse on it. 1050 candle. So that one was the final engulfing candle of that 10 a.m. red candle that then created an order block there too. Yeah. See the 1 hour. Dang, the 1 hour literally. What did the 1 hour bounce off of? Oh. Oh, I'm on the 1 hour. Yeah. Looks like it's just gonna go all the way back up. That's crazy. Breaks down, sweeps, hit break structure, and then literally just goes all the way back up. That's so crazy. I wouldn't. That 1 minute unicorn hit again. Crazy, dude. That thing hit. Breaker block. Value up. Boom. But it tapped you in pixel perfect. Oh my gosh, dude. Second or third, fourth day in a row that's worked. Even this one. Even this one here. So there's this model I've been watching. It's called the Unicorn, and it's literally hit every day this week. Every single time it shows up. It's one of the highest probability trades you can do, but it's just it's not easy to spot. Like if you don't know how to spot it, you're not gonna be able. You're gonna take either the wrong position or put the wrong stop loss and take profits on this stuff, and then it doesn't work. But you have to be able to spot it perfect to make it work. And I finally have learned how to spot it. And this week, everyone I find, like, did amazing. You need a breaker block, liquidity sweep, fair value gap, and then a retest. So breaker block is an engulfed order block. You need a fair value gap formed on top of the breaker block. You need a liquidity sweep beforehand, and then you need a retest of that breaker block. It's a whole bunch of new vocabulary for you. Yeah. Yeah, so like if you look at my screen right now, so let me get off some of this stuff. Let me get off all this. Let me take away this 1 hour for value gap. All right, I'm gonna show you what it actually looks like on a chart. So it's gonna be, let me make a unicorn one. Here we go. This will be my unicorn template. Oh no, that's not what I want. What is it? I totally forgot how to do the emojis. What is the shortcut to get emojis? Windows key. Shift. Oh. Windows key plus period. Windows or Command Control spacebar. Windows Control. Oh. Control Alt. Control Alt. Oh, how can I not remember what the emoji is? PC. Windows key, and then period. Oh, there it is. It's popping up now. Okay. So, all right. I have no idea what it'll do. Looks like it. All right, so this is what I'm marking out right now as a breaker block. So that's a breaker block, and then you have drawing template as unicorn. Then you have fair value gap. So these two have activated a unicorn. Then your entry goes at the breaker block top. So you would right there. Your entry goes to the breaker block, top of the breaker block. Stop loss goes to the lowest point before the breaker block. And then your first TP is on always external range liquidity, which is right here. And then you take off 90% there, and then you leave like one contract to run. So you would have hit TP on this candle, and now you would have been letting it just run. So that's the unicorn. Yeah, so you got a breaker block, which was an order block that was then engulfed in a fair value gap. And then you wait for that. You put your buy limit on the breaker block top and wait for it to get tapped in. And it literally would have tapped you in. You wouldn't have sat in drawdown, not even for like a second. Would have tapped you in perfect, and then just ran to your TP. Then over here, I think there's one over here too. You have this little tiny breaker block with a fair value gap. Okay. Right there. This one you would have sat in more drawdown. Stop loss goes to high. Yep. Stop loss would go here, I think. Yeah. Stop loss would go there. Targeting external range liquidity. And then, so you would have gotten tapped in on that first candle right there. You would have sat in some drawdown here, and then it would have went straight to external range liquidity. Take off 90% at that external range, and then you just hold. And you move stops with order blocks and stuff. So you'd have been able on this one to lock in to there, 35 points. This one you would still be holding, and you'd be up right now. You probably would have got stopped out like here at 55 points. So that's 80 something points for the day on the unicorn model. Yeah, it's a really good one. Yeah, so stop loss for me on this unicorn probably would be here right now. Let's see, did it stop us out? So you would have, nope, you'd still be in it. And that's at 49.25 points. Yeah. And the nice thing with the unicorn is you get 1 minute entries, so the entries are really tight, so you're not risking a lot. And yeah, it's really good model. I love it. All right, stream. Google chat. I'm not leaving. I'm just gonna shut down the stream real fast. Stream. I'm gonna close down. That was our trading day today. Today was a fast trading day and a really bad one, but they're gonna happen. And what we do is we don't let it affect our mindset. We don't let it affect our model. The model works, but you're gonna have some bad days, and it's just part of trading. So it's all a matter of how you let the trading days affect you. Losses are inevitable on trading, but what matters is, can you preserve your capital and stay in the game for the next day? And we were able to do that today. So all right.